What it do, my Legoers, but oh my god, I just had to show you guys what I've been working on. So as I told you previously, I've basically been in creative ever since they added the new vehicle parts. I've also came across a great YouTuber by the name the MadPuck66. This was one of 2 fully customized cars I borrowed from him, and I just loved the design and sleek look of them, and especially this one. So I had to build it. Now, Rome wasn't built in a day, so I had to practice and learn this specific technique called angle building. Now I already know how to angle build. But from watching Mad Puck's live streams, I've gotten a lot better and adopted a couple new tricks along the way. So I've been in creative learning, practicing, and just building in general. I've learned a lot. Now I love the new vehicle pieces, and they've taught me a lot about actual vehicle parts, how to build a proper and functional vehicle. But I want to challenge myself and step outside my comfort zone, and the first vehicle attempt was iffy. Yeah, I got mad and broke it. But this was supposed to be a Corvette. You could see it a little, but this was my first time trying the angle building technique, so it didn't turn out to my liking. I had kept it, but this broken one is my motivation. This vehicle was pretty simple for the most part, and once I figured out how angle building works, as far as the basics, because I only had to angle build on the front end of the vehicle, so I was able to practice on this one rather than the Corvette that had like 3 or 4 angles I had to place. But this was a very fun and unique build, and I wanted to make sure I got every piece almost correctly. Which I didn't. I messed up somewhere, but I kept going and improvised a little because I didn't want to stop. I was doing good. And after many failed attempts and test driving to make sure it handled properly, it came out with this.
Oh my god!
Beautiful, just straight beauty, fool. Like, I don't know how to feel right now. I think I've overexceeded my expectations 100% because this might be my most successful custom build so far, and the part 1 mic'd up on was the foundation. But like I said, I improvised and still make it work. And boy, does it look official. Let me know what type of car it looks like I'm thinking. A Porsche GT or some type of sports car, let me know. So drip test, check, it looks sexy. Now let's see if it's smoothable. Oh, and I added drift control, but overall it's schmoving. But like I said before, shout out to the MadPuck66 again for the vehicle concept. You go check him out. He streams every weekday, 8:30 a.m. to 10 a.m. I highly recommend you go check him out. He really inspired me to level up my building, as you can see, and as you'll see going forward. Stay tuned.